In this quick video, I'll demonstrate how WooCommerce merchants can install and connect their WooCommerce stores to Barika for WooCommerce. Barika turns high-intent transactional emails, order confirmations, shipping updates, delivery notifications into mutually beneficial partnerships between WooCommerce merchants. Merchants, as host partners, earn revenue by embedding verified offers from partner merchants as post-purchase rewards, while those partner merchants, as offer partners, reach customers at moments of peak attention. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you have a WooCommerce store and have WordPress admin access to the store. You should also have a Barika account or ready to create a new Barika account during the installation process. Step 1. Find the Barika for WooCommerce plugin. There are two places you can find the Barika for WooCommerce plugin. First, in the WooCommerce marketplace. Search for the Barika for WooCommerce plugin like you would for any WooCommerce extension in the marketplace. The second place to find the Barika for WooCommerce plugin is in your WordPress admin. In the plugin page, search for Barika for WooCommerce the same way as you would for any WordPress plugin. Step 2. Install and activate the plugin. Once you've installed the Barika for WooCommerce plugin, you'll need to activate it in your store's WordPress admin, whether you started from the WooCommerce marketplace or WordPress. To activate the plugin, click the Activate button. Step 3. Authorize and connect Barika for WooCommerce. After you've activated the plugin, you should now see the Barika plugin in the left-hand menu in your store's WordPress admin. Click Barika to open the Barika for WooCommerce settings page. Click the Connect to Barika button. You'll be redirected to a page to either log in to your existing Barika account or create a new account if you do not already have one. In this video, we will log in to an existing Barika account. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to the authorization screen to approve the connection. Wait for a few seconds while the Barika for WooCommerce connection is established. Once connection is established, you will be brought back to your Barika connected page in your store's WordPress admin. To complete the process, click on the Complete Your Barika Onboarding to Begin Co-Marketing button. Step 3. Complete the Barika onboarding steps and view your connection details. This opens a new window that takes you directly to the Barika platform dashboard. Complete all onboarding activities to begin co-marketing with Barika. To see your Barika for WooCommerce connection details, go to the Barika Integration Center, expand the Connected Stores section. Look for the Barika for WooCommerce connection card and click on Manage Settings. Let's recap what we've completed together. 1. We've installed Barika for WooCommerce and have discussed two places to find the plugin. That is, from either the WooCommerce marketplace or from your store's WordPress admin page. 2. We've connected your WooCommerce store to the Barika platform. 3. We've viewed your Barika for WooCommerce connection details in the Barika Integration Center. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is ready for Barika co-marketing. Your next steps are to complete your Barika platform onboarding, which includes completing your brand trust settings, completing your payment details for revenue payout, and setting up your wallet auto top-up if you want to create offers. Barika turn WooCommerce customer emails into an AI-powered co-marketing engine. Earn revenue as a host partner. Reach new customers as an offer partner. All powered by AI. All brand safe. All automated. Enjoy co-marketing with Barika for WooCommerce.